It's called a day in the life of a firefighter. We have 28 kids from Lakota East High School football team and 15 or so of my guys here, and we're doing a mini recruit class. There's a bunch of different sizes here, fellas, so if you're big guys and small guys, you can pick through it.
They're excited to be here. It's pretty fun watching them go through all that they have to do and understanding all that happens. It's a great event.
We'll give them some very basic instruction on like some of the cooler things that we do here. We have 5 different stations set up. They'll actually get to force a door with our tools.
Yeah. That was pretty hard. I mean, it definitely helped having a teammate there.
I did not think it was gonna budge for a while. I mean, he did a lot of the work for me and it was still pretty hard. I don't know how we got that.
Right now they're trying to build as tall of a tower as they possibly can. We're going to keep track of how many layers there are.
I go up.
Take it off.
All right, that's it. It's fine.
The entire reason firefighters exist is to get people out of burning buildings, right? So if we put the fire out and we get the people out, we did our job. There you go, perfect. Good, nice. That's exactly how we do it. So we don't want to stand up and run out with the baby. We're going to keep that baby's head nice and low, get right to the window.
One hand down, the palm of it, the other hand on top. And you're just going to push down.
We're actually teaching them CPR. I know last year there was a kid that was in this program that actually was able to do CPR and save a life.
We are practicing flowing and moving, so we are advancing through a structure into the fire room as we are cooling the environment.
It's a real challenge. A lot of respect for what these guys do.
For some of these guys, this is a good profession for them to think about going into.
It's a great collaboration to see young guys learning the same things that our guys practice every day.